Guys, it's Slime Guy here. Today we will be making a Christmas slime because those two slimes I made in my first video, I mixed them together and they were dark green like St. Patrick's Day, so I've decided to make all the holiday slimes. For this slime, I've never made this before, you'll need some lotion, light blue if you have it, a measuring cup, water, borax, and white glue. So I might have a little bit of the ingredients ready because I accidentally turned the recording off in the middle of the video, so I had to restart. So we're gonna put some glue in with some lotion and mix it together. And if you have lotion with aloe vera, that will be better because it will make it stretchier. So next, you will need the borax solution because with Tide it won't work because it's going to make it a little bit more blue. Wait, actually before I do that, it doesn't seem to be blue enough. So I'm going to add just a drop of blue dye. So you want to add the slightest food coloring. If you haven't noticed, I am using a different place to film because my mom is downstairs watching TV, which is making a lot of noise. So, whatever. You want to mix up your borax solution, which is a cup of warm water and a teaspoon of borax. You want to mix it until it dissolves a little bit. Then you want to put a spoonful at a time, 2 or 3 spoonfuls, and then mix it together. It will start to get slimy very quickly. The more glue you put in, the more borax solution you need. The comment section down below if you did try this, tell me if it worked and what slime I should be making next. Well, I remember what I was gonna say. So I'm not gonna be making a video for a little bit more than a week because my school has spring break and we're going to New York to see my cousins, so that's it. If you want to add little things to it, like little snowflakes or little ornaments, you can. But here you have it, your Christmas slime. If you do have to knead it because it's sticky, you probably do have to knead it because it will be sticky and you just have to clump it together more. Just go ahead and do that. And you pretty much have your slime all done. Now you have your stretchy Christmas slime. It's really fun to play with. Make sure you like and subscribe to Slime Guy. See ya next week. Bye.